Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Welcome to our Elliott Wave Theory tutorial. This suggests that markets move in predictable 5- and 3-wave patterns. Wave 1 is up, Wave 2 is your retracement, Wave 3 is the next impulse wave up, Wave 4 is another retracement, and Wave 5 is the next pulse wave up. The 5-wave phase represents the main trend. If we draw this with the trend line, you can clearly see the main trend is up, whether we draw it like that or in the form of the Gann Fan. It's definitely an uptrend. Elliott Wave Theory, developed by Ralph Nelson Elliott, posits that market prices move in predictable patterns or waves. These consist of 5 waves in the direction of the main trend, followed by 3 corrective waves known as your ABC correction. Identifying these waves helps traders forecast future price movements. The theory often incorporates Fibonacci retracement levels to pinpoint potential support and resistance areas. Fibonacci levels are crucial because they help traders identify potential reversal points in the market. For instance, a common retracement level is the 61.8% level, which is often referred to as the golden ratio. Let's draw a typical ABC correction. On your Trading View panel, come down to the 4th icon and select Elliott Wave Correction. Our Elliott Wave indicator gives us the options and Fibonacci levels. For instance, Bitcoin can drop to 88,500, 0.382 level, or to 78,000, 0.5 level, or to the 71,000 golden pocket 0.618 level. Your A wave drops, B wave rises as a lower high, and C wave drops again. This pattern is essential for traders to recognize because it helps in predicting the end of a correction and the resumption of the main trend. Elliott Wave Theory is a technical analysis framework identifying market trends through repeating wave patterns. Here's how to trade it effectively using 5 basic rules. Impulse waves consist of 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, moving in the direction of the primary trend. Corrective waves follow, A, B, C, moving against the primary trend. Wave 2 cannot retrace more than 100% of Wave 1. Wave 3 is never the shortest and usually the strongest and longest. Wave 4 must not overlap with the price territory of Wave 1 in impulse waves except in diagonals. Understanding these rules is crucial for accurately identifying wave patterns and making informed trading decisions. For example, measure Wave 2 up to see Wave 3's extension, typically at the 1.618 or 2.618 Fibonacci levels of Wave 1. Wave 4 retracements are often 23.6% or 38.2% of Wave 3. Wave 5 extension targets are 61.8%, 100% or 1.618 of Waves 1 and 3 combined. Enter during Wave 2 pullbacks or Wave 4 pullbacks to catch the next Wave 5 up. This strategy allows traders to maximize their profits by entering the market at optimal points. By mastering these wave patterns and Fibonacci relationships, traders can align with market trends and improve entry and exit timings. With our whale launch bot trading strategy, we simply follow the price with our bots, surfing the waves and making profits in this volatile market consistently.